up, y'all? It's Mo, and today we're going to be planning in my new Happy Planner for July. I'm using this Crafty rainbow kit that I have listed in the shop in both long vertical and standard vertical, so I'll flip through the kit for you here. I was trying to do like new releases, but I gave up on that because I just want to put stuff out when I have it out. I was going to use some like full box underlay type of dealios, but I then decided against it, so I'm just showing you those, and then also the rainbow overlays that I have in the shop that you can print with your laser printer and then foil them and cut them with your Silhouette or Cricut. I love this kit. Right now I'm just deciding where I'm going to put down the stickers, what stickers and full boxes I'm going to use. I'm trying to change it up. I don't know if I really like it. But yeah, I love this kit. I love that it goes with the rainbow overlays. I have both the standard vertical and long vertical rainbow overlays. So for any type of planner that you use, there are rainbow overlays, and I'm so excited. And then there's also, what you should see here in this plan with me, there's also a page of like various boxes that you can foil with different, and I think I've mentioned this in another plan with me, but different designs on them. So there's like bows and stars, and then there's also birthday streamers and birthday candles. There's rainbows, there's fireworks, there's like moons, like a little celestial lunar phase type of one, and it's just a box, or I'm sorry, a printable that you can print and foil, and then you can have some boxes with some different designs that can maybe match your kits that you're using. Like for example, I used rose gold foil for my overlays, and I'm going to use rose gold foil for the little various boxes, whatnot you'll see here. So those should be in the shop soon. I have also added, I guess this is just going to be like a shop update, I've also added a butt ton of Canva sticker templates, so keep a lookout for some tutorials on how to use those. I am excited. This been requested. I've been like, dagummit, this is not, no. And then I gave in because you guys know what you need. So they are listed in the shop. I have just a few. I think there's like maybe 5 or 6. I'm going to work on getting a couple of them up. I don't know if I'm going to put, let me know how you guys feel. If I should put them up in, like put every template I've ever made, I should make that into one for Canva, or if I should do something else. The video just skipped right there because I was having a horrible time peeling my overlays from the daggum sticker sheet. For some reason, my Silhouette did not cut them all the way through, and I'm about to get frustrated with this thing because like it'll cut. I understand the blade gets dull and you got to change it, whatever, but it'll cut some fine and then some it won't cut fine. And so me and the Silhouette are about to fight is basically what I'm getting at. But I decided, I was like, oh, should I use these underlays? I really like underlays, but I also really do write on the planner page. So maybe eventually I'll bring them back in and do the underlays or whatnot. But yeah, so I used the rainbow overlays that are in the shop. My Silhouette was not cutting them in a way that I was happy with, so I had to fight with them, and so you didn't see me lay them all down, but they're really pretty. I really like them. Now I'm putting down the heart checklists, and I scatter those about, and then I'm going to use these like little grid type of boxes or whatnot that I really like to use in the long vertical type of layout. And I'm going to switch up this checklist and the other checklist because I don't like that the two colors, like the grid box has this peachy color, and then the checklist that was right by it was also that peachy color. So I'm going to switch that up. And yeah, so this is just a like base. I'm just laying down the base for this week. I always do that pretty much, and I just use the boxes as the days come along, I guess. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in each box. The only thing I try and keep a lookout for is like Wednesday is like a trash day, and then Tuesday and Thursday I have, what do you call it? Like videos that will go up most of the time. And so that's the only kind of thing that I really, really plan for or whatnot. But I just lay it down to make sort of a nice, like cohesive spread. And I didn't realize, now that I've moved into or back into the like an actual happy planner, because I use the long vertical layout, and I was honestly the templates, like the stencils that I had, were fine, and they are fine. I just was getting tired of drawing my layout all the time and accidentally screwing up, or like not paying attention and drawing too many lines or whatever. So I decided to just pick up a happy planner. And what I'm getting at is the space at the bottom is different than what I had allotted, I guess, for my template or my stencil that I drew. So the bottom washi doesn't technically fit there, but in my kits I have like a thin strip of washi. You can kind of see in the upper, I just moved it, but there's like a strip of like glitter, and I also have a smaller strip of like a pattern page, or like a pattern washi, like a thinner 10 millimeter, maybe 5 millimeter washi. I think it's probably like a 5 millimeter sort of washi. And so I have that, and I use that at the bottom now. So that's what I'm going to do in the kits that I have made, and I have that washi style. I'm going to use it. I may trim down other washi from other kits to use it down there. The week after this, I tried to just trim the washi in half, and it was still like too big, and it looked real kind of janky, and I didn't really like it. But that is what it is, and so we'll have to work with it when we get to that week. I'm getting real messy here with my planning. Like, my sticker sheets are going everywhere. And also, I don't use the date covers because of the huge space that the date and the day of the week and whatnot takes up over on, or over, I guess, up top on the planner page, now that I'm in an actual happy planner. So I won't be using those. But I still think it's good if you are using the templates, or you want to use them, or maybe you've printed your own inserts. I keep saying templates, I mean stencils, which, by the way, the stencils, I'll leave a video linked of like how I use them and what that means. And then I will also leave the stencils linked in probably all of my Plan With Me videos, just in case you guys want to try this layout, but you don't want to buy it. Maybe you are able to cut with your, like, you are able to make a template or a stencil with your Cricut Explorer, your Silhouette or whatnot. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just placing down stickers, and I think that I realize here in a minute that I don't have the rainbow label box stickers that I want, because I haven't seen myself place them down. So I may jump off camera and go find them. I don't know when that happens. I don't know. But yeah, long vertical is my jam. It's where I really honestly like to, or how I really honestly like to plan. It's just, I don't know. So I got tired of drawing my layouts, and so I wanted to have just the planner layout already done. I do have a video on my setup for this planner, and like how I set it up between like 3-ish planners, and I don't know, just what I'm using for like my catch-all and my my social media planner, I guess, is what I'm getting at. So yeah, but again, I don't use really the heart checklist. I think I used one in the sidebar, and I don't really use them. I don't really like the ombre look on how long these pages, like how long the boxes are. I don't really like that ombre look. So I'm going in and putting some glitter headers to fill up some of the spaces in the top of like the boxes. I really like to do that to add like a dimension, and to be able to use some overlay tapes and whatnot. I really do like that. And I don't think I put anything on my tall fashion girl box, because I don't have any printables, and so I would use like overlay tape that I could double up. So I didn't put anything on the long fashion girl yet. So I have to go do that, actually, maybe when I get done recording this voiceover, because I still don't think I have done it. But yeah, so this whole little thing is turning out rather nicely. I think this is when, maybe I think I do use those rainbow boxes. I don't know where they are, but I went and got some of the foiled overlay tape, and so I'm putting that down over my glitter headers now, because I realized I forgot it. This is probably from either Caress Press or Rose Colored Days. I don't remember. I have gotten overlay tapes from Rose Colored Days. That's where I normally buy them from. Caress Press, Girl Boss Anna, Creativity and Ink. Like, all 4 of those are shops that I have bought from before, and I really do like Caress Press and Rose-Colored Days. So it's from somewhere. Then I go in with a deco and I start putting the deco up on the top there. Kind of like, you know, what you would do in maybe like a standard vertical planner, a lot of people do. And I couldn't find my tweezers. My tweezers are always like never where I am. They're where I was planning before. So who knows? I don't think they're in my drawer. I think they might be upstairs. Marcus may have got them out of the cart next to the couch. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, so I love this deco too. Again, this sheet, this sticker kit, this clip art kit is like so great, and I love it. I love long vertical. I just love it. And so yeah, I'm just gonna keep putting on the deco to make sure it looks kind of nice and evenly spaced. And so I did create a lot of deco, it looks like, in this kit. Sometimes I feel like I don't add enough, and then I'm like, oh no, do I need to add more? Ooh, oh no. But yeah, it looks like maybe I'm coming up on being done with this spread. I know what I did. I think I added the rainbow foiled boxes later. So I'll leave a link to, I think I did like an Instagram reel where I have the boxes down. So I'll leave a link to that so you guys can see. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around. Go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram. It's at 5/16. And I will talk to you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.